Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can change notification bar in VIVO. So to start, you will need to launch settings, and onward simply enter notification and status bar, and over here change whatever preferences you would like to change. For example, you can show or hide the home screen app icon badge, show or hide floating notifications, show or hide lock screen notifications, show or hide the data information, display or hide real-time network speed, change the battery percentage to display mode, and modify the notification method. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.